Okay, continuing with lesson 5-6. Now we're going to find percent of a discount. This is the one that's a little different. It's not an increase, it's actually a discount. But we go about finding it almost the same way. The vocabulary we need to know for this section is the word discount. Discount is the difference between the original price and now the sale price of an item. You use the percent of change formula, so it's the same formula. You guys should have it down pat by now. Here's an example. Page 203 in our textbook. If you want, you can always access your textbook online. During a clearance sale, a keyboard that normally sells for $49.99 is discounted, or it's on sale, for $34.99. What is the percent of the discount? Look at that formula. It should look familiar to you. Amount of change over the original amount equals the percent of change over 100. The first thing we need to do is find out the amount of that change. So the original price was $49.99. It's now on sale for $34.99. So here's our amount of change. $49.99 minus $34.99 gives us $15. Now that we know the amount of change, we can figure out the rest of the problem. The $15, the amount of the change, goes in our numerator. The original amount, which was the $49.99, goes in our denominator. We use K as our variable because we don't know the percentage, and percentage is always over 100. So when we cross multiply, we find that we get $49.99K equals $1,500. We have to divide each side by $49.99 to get K by itself. And when we do that, it approximates to 30%. Don't forget your percent signs like I just did. So add the percent, 30%. That's the amount of the discount. Okay, let's do a problem together. Quick check page 203. Find the percent discount of a $24.95 novel that's on sale for $14.97. The first step should always be to write the formula. Okay, our formula is the amount of change over the original amount equals the percent change over 100. So let's fill in the blanks. First, we need to know the amount of the change. So it's $24.95 minus $14.97. When we do that, we get $9.98. That's the amount of the change. We divide that by the original amount. The original amount was the $24.95 was the novel before it went on sale. And then that equals the percent of change, which we don't know, let's just use K, over 100. What do you do next? Who can tell me? Can I hear you through the video? What is it? We should cross multiply and then solve for K. When we do that, we get $9.98 equals $24.95K. Now we have to get K by itself. When we do that, we find that we get K equals 40%. Now it's your turn. A bike was $70 at Walmart, but it's the end of summer and they better put it on sale or they're going to be stuck with it. So they discount the bike to $63. What is the percent of the discount? Show your work, bring the notes and the problems tomorrow, and we'll check it. If you get it right, piece of candy. See you tomorrow.